fuck Starlink still works, but there it is. It's absolutely right under here somewhere. We have internet, no issue. A little bit of snow. This sucks. That's a little better. But yeah, I'd say we got at least, I don't know, a foot and a half, 2 feet. No, it's like a foot there. But the thing is like snow drifts, so I don't really know. I'll check the weather report. I think we're a little bit more than halfway through the storm. We should be through most of it, but supposed to get a little bit more tonight and through till the morning. But yeah, there's a shit ton of power outages, but we're not concerned, obviously, because we got the battery system. We got the generator hooked up. I'll show all that stuff later. But yeah, it's snowblower time. Time to clear some of this out. Tamson's over it. He's waiting for. I think he's had to go to the bathroom all day. He's only been able to do number one in the front. So he's ready for me to clear some space out. But yeah, let's got a date with my friend here. Let's get after it. All right, so I had a little bit of bad gas in here, so I think I need to clean the carburetor, all that. I stored it in the winter with old fuel, didn't turn off all that stuff. Whatever, not a big deal. It started earlier, last snowstorm, fine. So I got a tank here of old gas, and me being stubborn, I was like, maybe I just throw it in there, maybe I'll just use that. A little bit of the fresh stuff, just get rid of it. So I don't know what else to do with it. So we'll see. If it starts, we should be great. If it doesn't start, a lot of snow out there, so we're gonna have quite a bit of problems. But yeah, I think these gloves on. About 3 layers of gloves here. So I don't have my snow pants. They're currently in the vehicle. So I gotta go rescue those, but that's also not a big deal. Take a look here. A few times. I don't want to die out. boy. Yeah, we had I think a tree fall down. Thought it was a telephone pole for a minute. I think it's just a very rotted out tree. See, it has termite holes on it. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do around here. But here's all the telephone poles are intact. No one on the street except for snow plows. We used to be on property. We do shit ourselves now. What a disaster. I'm gonna throw on some snow pants a little bit warm. Fucking crazy. Over, bud. Alright, so we'll grab the shovel. Keep shoveling here. I'm gonna head and put on my snow pants now. Not that they're necessary, but when you're walking through deep snow, the last thing I want is snow going up over my boot, get my socks wet. Because once my socks are wet, that's game over for me. Might as well count me out. Fuck that shit. I don't do wet socks, wet feet. Socks that slip off your feet. Fuck all that shit. But anyways, let's clear out this area here. Yeah. He just fell in. Look how deep it is. That was his footstep. I haven't, buddy. Gotta be careful where you step. This, if I clear this area. Here. Walk way down here, but let's get back on this area for a little bit. Dig out this area around the ED. We have the generator here. some progress. Taking ourselves out. See the channels. I'm gonna keep shoveling over here. Alright, well, the conditions of winning, you know, Mother Nature always wins. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone inside for a little bit. It's like we got an audience. I'm gonna give the phone some thought out. Hey, can you thaw this out and film the snow? Alright, did that area pretty nice. This looks pretty good though. Start tackling this side porch area. See if the phone survives this time. Slowly but steadily making progress here. Oh boy. Alright, I'm gonna switch up. I'm gonna go head to the back. Shovel out the back. Start hitting the back porch and just wait for this to widen up a little more. Yeah, we got quite a bit of snow. We still have more snow coming down. John's over here widening out more. Yeah, let's get it moving. So, this more or less is what I've been dreading. This is a better representation of the amount of snow we got. So fuck my life. Let's get after it.
heavy. Can you leave it right there? Push it like that. I'll throw him out. Give it up for me.
See? Remember I said earlier, just avoidance. Alright, I'm gonna call it there. Good enough for me. So 25 minutes. It's back to snowing again. The pool cover got destroyed this season. But we got hammered. We got quite a bit of fucking snow. Well, that shall be it for now. Deal with this as it melts. Alright, just checking in with John. See where he's at. This clear. Almost all that's clear. I just gotta clear up this right here. We should be good. It just sucks you got more fucking smoke falling. Just looking up a little bit now. What are you looking up? Alright, I'm gonna try to speed things up through this pedestrian walkway. Yo. It just needs gas.
Yeah.
Gasolina.
I was gonna ask you, Tino, how's the gas?
Yo la llené cuando empecé, pero yo pensé que ya tú la habías llenado. Porque it must have gone out already. No, hay que echarle. Got her back and running, a little bit of fuel. Just check to make sure both blockers are going. I hit it and widen all this crap out. So that sucks. I can't wait to get electric snow blower off. So I'm going electric all everything. I'm done with all this gas, diesel and shit. Yeah, let me go hit it for a little bit. Alright, just fixing the lights a little fucked up, but we'll do it that later. Those are the outdoor lights. I gotta go rescue the Starlink and a couple of other outdoor sockets. While we wait, let's go hit this. The last thing to do now is go rescue the Starlink. Look at this shit. Crikey. Let's get after it. We got the Starlink out. It wasn't totally necessary because it's backup internet, and that also should probably get mounted in a better location. But we literally just have it hanging on this little porch, and just hanging out the window. This was an addition late fall, so we'll find a better home for it, but definitely not right now. Alright, so this is the final product. This is a couple hours after showered. Yeah, there's got some icicles and stuff I gotta take down. I gotta figure out what we're gonna do about a cover here. I'll let that all expose, so I kinda gotta bring that in the garage, thaw it out. Yeah, we got egress basically around the whole property. Quite a bit of snow. I gotta go help my neighbor out tomorrow. She typically has a plow truck that comes by. But I didn't see him. He's not here that morning. She doesn't like to ask for anything, but I'm offering because it's too much snow. She's got to get out. She's not showing up. A little bit of issues over here. So I had a tree come down and took out our fucking mailbox. So me and John were able to toss one piece over there, another piece went over there. Well, pretty large. But yeah, now we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with the mailbox there. I don't know how big this piece is. Yeah, we'll wait till morning to fully assess. I'm gonna put that back. I think we'll just leave it over there. I got a mail lady, Lorraine. She's awesome. Sure she didn't mind delivering right there for a few days. I think we're pretty good. Path through there, all the way around. Cleaned off the trash barrels, and then exactly. So yellow there. That's what the purpose of all this was. Can't wait when I go through here. I'm wearing Uggs, no backs. These things keep you so warm. It's amazing. Obviously, I wouldn't use it to plow, but I've been outside in the snow these things many a times and never had a problem. So it'll probably clear out a little bit more, but it was getting late and I didn't want to make too much noise back here. Yeah, we cleared all that out. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with the panels. Those things were clanking around quite a bit. I'm trying to assess if there was any damage. I don't think so, from at least just looking here now. I'll take a look in the morning. Those things are rated for a lot more than what we experienced last night, so it should be fine. But they were rattling around up there. Clean off that door a little bit more, but that should be fine. All the way around. I don't know where he went. Probably went to go poop. Now he's got all this space. But yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do about this generator. Well, I'll bring it to the garage, at least let it thaw out a little bit before I do anything, especially because so much snow got inside all the plugs, the outlets, receptacles, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, pretty good. The property manager should be happy. So I'm taking down a lot of Christmas decorations. It's just never never-ending work on this project. I hate when he pees up here, but it's like this. Kind of give him a free pass like this. It was so bad earlier, but now I'll shoot him away from the porch. He told me he leaves anyways. So yeah, that's all she wrote. I don't know how to end this, but yeah, we'll do a little more show tomorrow. I do that from upstairs after I finish with the Starlink. But yeah, let me show you actually one more thing. Take your time to fuck around with the lights a little bit. It reflects off the snow.
Yeah, was on the outside looking in this bitch, but now I'm in this bitch. Yeah, I'm in this bitch. Tunchi, you a genius. Looked in the mirror, said don't let the money come between us. I'm loaded at my earliest convenience. But fuck 'em, I feel like I got 10 middle fingers. I'm sipping in this bitch and popping uppers. Girl, take this that shit that give a flower color. And some bitch named Wonder Woman told me not to wonder. The crumbs, you only see them when the cookie crumbles.